A warm welcome to AD4TV Radio News Update, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital territory. I am Adirayo Dada. The Minister of Foreign Affairs for Nigeria, Geoffrey Onyama, on Thursday said the number of Nigerians willing to return from abroad is so high that they cannot all be accommodated at the available isolation centers in the country. According to the minister, the number of willing returnees have been collated from various Nigerian embassies around the world, and 2 airlines have been selected to fetch them. Onyema added that the ministry will be collaborating with NEMA and the Ministry of Health to bring back the returnees according to the number of beds and supplies available. The Nigerian Medical Association in Akwa Ibom State, Nigeria, is mourning the passing of Dr. Dominic Essien, who died of coronavirus. The state chairman, Dr. Nsikak Inyoyoko, announced the death of the physiotherapist while addressing members of the association in Uyo, the state capital. Still in Akwa Ibom State, the secretary to the state government of Akwa Ibom, South Nigeria, Dr. Emmanuel Ekwem, this Thursday announced the extension of the coronavirus lockdown order in the state by 1 week. The secretary said the residents will be allowed 7 hours each on Friday and Saturday to enable them restock and get medical supplies, adding that the lockdown also affects Jumat services on Friday and church services on Sunday. The Ogun State Police Command on Thursday arraigned 142 suspects before the state's magistrate court sitting in Isabo, Abeokuta for alleged murder, robbery and unrest across the state during the ongoing lockdown. Some of the suspects were charged with 3 counts of robbery, illegal possession of firearms, and conspiracy, while others were arraigned for murder and disruption of public peace. The Court of Appeal in Abuja, Nigeria, has dismissed cases brought by the Action People's Party, challenging the propriety of the last governorship elections held in Bayelsa and Kogi states. The court dismissed the cases shortly before hearing the applications by interested parties who sought to be made parties in the case. The appeals were, however, dismissed in a ruling by a 3-member panel led by the acting president of the court, Justice Monica Dongban Mensem. We take a short break now. More stories when we return. Do stay tuned. As the world faces the challenge of the coronavirus pandemic and governments around the world are racing against time, AD4TV Radio thanks you all for doing your part to stop the spread of the disease. Be safe at home and practice hygiene. Protect yourself and others. Do not panic. Do not self-medicate. Listen to all preventive advice and stay at home, as well as maintain social distancing. Say no to fake news. Get authentic updates from the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19, the Federal Ministry of Health, the NCDC, and of course, AD4TV Radio, your credible and reliable channel. Please stay safe to save others. Welcome back. In our foreign news update, Norway, one of the first European countries to begin lifting confinement measures, is launching a smartphone tracking and tracing app to try to halt a return of the deadly coronavirus. The Prime Minister, Erna Solberg, said the tracker, which is called Smittestop or Stop Infection, has been developed to give health authorities a better picture of the spread of coronavirus and tell users if they have been in contact with the disease. He advised the citizens that for them to get back to a more normal life and keep the virus under control, they must make an effort to use the application. The Russian government has authorized the use of an anti-malaria drug for the treatment of coronavirus patients, despite international concerns over its safety and effectiveness. The order was published after President Vladimir Putin of Russia had a phone conversation with Chinese leader Xi Jinping on Thursday evening when China donated more than 68,000 packs of the tablets to Russia. The health minister of Germany, Jens Spahn, in a news conference this Friday, said the COVID-19 outbreak in Germany has become manageable again, as the number of recoveries is higher than the number of new infections this week. Spahn noted that the healthcare system has at no time been overwhelmed so far. Meanwhile, 4 months after the outbreak of the COVID-19 across the world, 15 countries are yet to report any case of the virus. All countries in North America, South America, and Europe have confirmed cases of the virus, as well as some countries in Africa, Asia, and Australia. Countries with 0 cases include the Comoros, Lesotho, North Korea, Tajikistan, Turkmenistan, Solomon Islands, Vanuatu, Federated States of Micronesia, Tonga, Samoa, Kiribati, Marshall Islands, Palau, Tuvalu, and Nauru. For the first time in decades, China's economy has shrunken in the first quarter of the year as a result of the coronavirus outbreak, which suspended production and drastically reduced spending. Official data shows that the world's second largest economy suffered a sharp downturn of 6.8% between January and March, when factories, shops, and travel were shut down in a bid to contain COVID-19 infection. According to analysts, Beijing is battling to revive growth as the global pandemic devastates demand for major trading partners and dampens domestic consumption. The headquarters of the Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) in Abuja, Nigeria, is on fire. According to reports, the fire started a few minutes before noon, mostly affecting the election and party monitoring department. Though the inferno is still raging, as at the time of filing this report, INEC National Commission and Chairman Voters Education and Information, Festus Okoye, says no critical documents has so far been lost. More to come in our subsequent bulletins. And that's it on AD4 TV Radio News Update, coming to you live from Abuja, Nigeria's capital. You can join the conversation on our social media platforms at AD4 TV Radio on Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, and Instagram. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel at AD4 TV Radio. Many thanks for watching. I am AD4TVRADIO.